Power off your laser. Open the lid. Move the laser head forward. Move the laser head to the right side. Use a screwdriver to remove 1 screws on the back and 4 top screws. Take out the top fan and disconnect the wire. Flip the laser fan over. Use a plier to hold the bottom part, and a screwdriver to remove screws. Use a cotton swab sprayed with alcohol to clean the fan. Pay attention to cleaning the gaps. Flip over the fan, continue the cleaning. Clean the fan cover. Remove the 4 screws on the top. Insert the 4 screws. Secure with 4 nuts. Use a screwdriver along with the plier to fasten the laser fan. Plug in the wire, ensure the side with the hump facing towards. Put the top fan back in place. Secure it with screws. Power on the laser. Close the lid.